Hello, your Emily ma'am is back here again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope all of you are in good health. Now, let me inquire that you people have read the story Thank You Friend or not. I think most of you have already read. Those who haven't read yet, please read the story. Okay, please read the story. I have given you some spellings to learn. Learn those spellings. The comprehension page number 16, A, B and C. 3 exercises are there. In the last day I have sent those exercises. Please learn the question answers. Who said these words? Circle the correct words and the spellings. Now today in this class I am going to discuss about opposites make sentences. Right. Today in this class I am going to discuss about opposites and make sentences. Those who have a notebook with you, please take a notebook and write while I say the opposites. Right? Please take a notebook, those who have it at home. Right? And secondly, those who don't have a notebook with you, please take a paper and I am going to send the snapshots of the opposites and the make sentences through the app. Okay. So now let's start. A. Opposites. A or number 1. Anything you can write. Friend. What is the opposite of friend? Enemy. Right. F-R-I-E-N-D. Friend. The opposite of friend is enemy. E-N-E-M-Y. Enemy. E-N-E-M-Y. Enemy. Next, far. Far away. All of you know the meaning, far away. What will be the opposite? Near. Very easy. N-E-A-R. Near. N-E-A-R. Near. So the first one is friend. F-R-I-E-N-D. Friend. The opposite of friend is enemy. E-N-E-M-Y. Enemy. E-N-E-M-Y. Enemy. Next, far. F-A-R. Far. F-A-R. Far. The opposite of far is near. N-E-A-R. Near. N-E-A-R. Near. Next, agree. Agree. A-G-R-E-E. Agree. A-G-R-E-E. Agree. What is the opposite of agree? Disagree. Means you don't want to accept whatever it is. If you accept a particular thing, that means you agree to that particular point. And if you don't accept that, that means disagree. Right? Only you have to add D-I-S before agree. D-I-S-A-G-R-E-E. Disagree. Right? So C is agree. The opposite of agree is disagree. D-I-S-A-G-R-E-E. Disagree. Next, D. Soon. Means very fast. Please write soon, we say, while you are giving the exams. Write soon, write fast. Okay, soon. S-O-O-N. Soon. S-O-O-N. Soon. The opposite of soon is late. L-A-T-E. Late. Or you can also write slowly. Anyone. Either you can write late, L-A-T-E, late, or slowly, S S-L-O-W-L-Y. Slowly. Okay. Next, back. Back means to go back. Back, the opposite of back is forward, means to go ahead. F-O-R-W-A-R-D, forward. The opposite of back is forward. F-O-R-W-A-R-D, forward. I'm writing the alphabets. Next, slow, F. S-L-O-W, slow. All of you know the meaning of slow? What will be the opposite of slow? Fast. F-A-S-T, fast. S-L-O-W, slow. The opposite of slow is fast. F-A-S-T, fast. Next, G. Dead means someone who is dead. Here, the deer pretended to be dead. I think all of you can remember. Dead, the opposite of dead is alive, means a person who is still living, alive. A-L-I-V-E, alive. A-L-I-V-E, alive. A-L-I-V-E, alive. Next, H. Gently. G-E-N-T-L-Y. Gently. G-E-N-T-L-Y. Gently. The opposite of gently is roughly. R-O-U-G-H, rough, and then you will add L-Y to it. Roughly. Gently means you are doing something very nicely. You are taking care of it and doing it. And roughly means anyhow you are doing the work. Untidy work. Okay? Next. So, gently, G-E-N-T-L-Y, gently. The opposite of gently is roughly. R-O-U-G-H, rough. L-Y-Ly, roughly. R-O-U-G-H, rough. L-Y-Ly, roughly. Next, free. The deer was free. F-R-E-E, free. What is the opposite of free? Confine means you are what? You are stuck in a particular area. You cannot go out of it. Right? The deer was stuck in the net. Next, confine. C-O-N-F-I-N-E, confine. The opposite of free is confine. C-O-N-F-I-N-E, confine. Next, last one. Safe. Very easy. The opposite of safe is unsafe. Means you are not safe. S-A-F-E, safe. Unsafe, U-N-S-A-F-E, unsafe. S-A-F-E, safe. The opposite of safe is unsafe. U-N-S-A-F-E, unsafe. So please check once again. Friend, F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. Opposite is enemy, E-N-E-M-Y, enemy. Means who is not your friend. B, far, F-A-R, far. The opposite of far is, you put a dash and write near, N-E-A-R, near. Friend, put a dash, write enemy. Next, far, put a dash, write near. Third one, agree, A-G-R-E-E, agree. Put a dash and write disagree, D-I-S-A-G-R-E-E, disagree. Next, soon, S-O-O-N, soon. Put a dash and write late, L-A-T-E, late. Or you can give a slash and write slowly. Means either you can write late or you can write slowly, S-L-O-W-L-Y, slowly. Next, back, B-A-C-K, back. When you go ahead, that means forward. F-O-R-W-A-R-D. We say forward march, means you are going ahead. F-O-R-W-A-R-D, back, forward. Next, slow, S-L-O-W, slow. The opposite of slow is fast, F-A-S-T, fast. G, dead, D-E-A-D, dead. The opposite of dead is, put a dash and write, alive, A-L-I-V-E, alive. Next, gently, G-E-N-T-L-Y, gently, put a dash and write, roughly, R-O-U-G-H-L-Y, R-O-U-G-H-L-Y, roughly. Next, free, F-R-E-E, free, put a dash and write, confine, C-O-N-F-I-N-E, confine, C-O-N-F-I-N-E, confine. Last one, safe, S-A-F-E, safe, put a dash and write, unsafe, U-N-S-A-F-E, unsafe. Next, make sentences. There are 10 make sentences. 5 I am going to say, and the next 5 I am going to give you homework. You are going to write it on your own. Right? So, the first one, forest. Make a sentence with forest. Anything. I went to the forest. We can see many animals in the forest. We can see many animals in the forest. Next, afraid means you are frightened of something. I am afraid of darkness. I am afraid of street dogs. Anything. That means you are frightened of something. Next, river. The river water is very clean. My friend jumped into the river. We take water from the river. Right? Next, grass. Cows eat grass. Horses eat grass. Right? Next, water. Give me some water to drink. The water in the river is clean. Please give me some water. I need some water. Anything. Make the sentence short. Okay? And simple. The next 5 I did not write. Friend, stay, slow, fast, happy. These you are going to do it on your own. And keep it when the school will reopen. I am going to see. Now I am going to send the snapshot of this page. Please learn the opposites. Make sentences. The 5 which I have already done, please learn it from there. And the rest of the 5, do it on your own. We are going to meet in the next class again. Stay happy and enjoy learning. Thank you.